Hi everyone, this is Vivek from Tech 101. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install WordPress on localhost. So without any delay, let's start our video. Before starting our video, be sure to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to receive the notification of our upcoming videos. So for this, first of all, we have to download XAMPP and we will install XAMPP and run XAMPP in our PC. After this, we will download WordPress and then we will create a new database and we will install WordPress by on-screen installer. So let's get started. So let's download them first. So you can click on the link given in the description to download the XAMPP, or you can simply search XAMPP download on Google, and the link given in the description will bring you to this page. And let's download XAMPP. Okay, my platform and bit is automatically detected, and here I'm going to download for 64 bits. So let me click on download button and it will simply download. Finally, download is completed. So let's open this. Let me open File Explorer. Here you can see that downloaded file. After clicking on that file, it will ask you for permission and grant the permission, and here we have a warning. Important because an activity user account control on your system, some function of XAMPP are possibly restricted with UAC. Please avoid install XAMPP to C/program files or deactivate UAC. Okay, so we are going to install them on other drives. We are not going to install it in C. Okay, so here we have a welcome page. So let's click on next, and we are going to download only MySQL and Apache here, and we don't need this all, and we don't need this mobilizer and fake send email for WordPress. Okay, so these selected are enough for installing WordPress. So let's click on next. Okay, let's choose any other folder. So by default here is a C/XAMPP, and before starting we received a warning. It is not recommended to install XAMPP on C drive. So let's change. Let's go to D drive and create a new folder here. Named XAMPP. Okay, so there is already a folder named XAMPP. So let's create another folder named data. Okay, inside this folder we are going to download install XAMPP. So let me select this and click on select folder. Click on next. again click on next. Okay, now setup is ready to begin installing, so let's install this. It will take few minutes to install, so let's wait. In the meantime, we can download WordPress. We can download it from official website from wordpress.org and click on get WordPress. Now click on download and install. Let's download WordPress 6.0. So download is in progress. Let's see our installation progress. So downloading is completed, so let me extract the downloaded files. Okay, extraction process is also in progress, so let's wait. Okay, extraction is successful, and here we can see a new folder WordPress 6.0 containing all the. Okay, inside there is another folder named WordPress, and here is all the required files. So we'll use these files later. So let's wait. Finally, XAMPP is installed successfully. So let's start the XAMPP control panel. So if you uncheck this will not start. So let's click on this and it will start automatically. Now click on finish. You can see the XAMPP icon here. Now let's start this Apache and MySQL module. So if it asks for information, then click on allow access. And if you have already MySQL set up in your computer, then you may encounter an error. So let me show you how you can fix that error. So go to source and click on services and open that app and scroll down and find MySQL. Okay, and if you are encountering the error, then the status of this will be automatic, and here you have to change it to manual, and you have to stop the service. Okay, so I have MySQL setup ready before installing them, so I already made these changes. So if you face this error, then you can solve by following this step. Okay, now you can verify the installation by going on localhost. Okay, as you can see here, XAMPP is installed. So while uh, we enter localhost on the URL bar, the server get started. And okay, we already started the Apache server here, and the default dashboard page is shown here. So now we are going to install WordPress. So before that, let us create database. So for this, go to php myadmin. Here you can see an interface like this, and at the top left section you can see the option of databases. Here you have to create a new database. So let's give a database name, my WP database. And you can leave this as it is and click on create. Okay, so we have successfully created a database. So let's install WordPress. So for this, open the XAMPP control panel and click on this Explorer button, and this will open the file explorer. And here you can see a folder named htdocs, and here you have to paste the WordPress files. So let's copy all these files. Okay, let's copy this folder. Okay, so click on copy, and we will paste it here. So make sure that you have paste these files inside this folder htdocs. Okay, otherwise it is not going to work. So if we enter localhost /WordPress, and that is our folder name, then we must see the WordPress here. So as you can see here, it opens the configuration page. So let's choose language. So let's go with English. Now click on continue. Now here we have something to know before getting started. So we have already created database, and okay, we haven't set any database username and password. Okay, database host is a local host and table prefix. Okay, so click on let's go, and you can read all this if you like. Now let's check our database name. Okay, localhost php myadmin. And here you can see the database name, my WP database. Okay, let's enter that here, my WP database. Okay, now in the username field, you can simply enter root. So let's enter a username root, and as we haven't set password, so we are going to leave this empty, and table prefix is going to be WP. So database host is localhost. So now click on submit. Okay, error establishing, we encounter an error. This either means that username and password in your configured PHP file is invalid, or that contact with database server at localhost could not be established. Okay, are you sure you have the correct username and password? Are you sure? Okay, let's check this. Okay, actually password is not password, it's empty. So let's submit again. Okay, and now click on run the installation. So here you have to enter the site title. So for now I'm going to enter demo site, and okay, user1 username, and there is a strong password. So in this field you have to enter your email. So let me enter my email. Okay, now you can click on install WordPress with these details. So let's copy this password, and instead of user1 you can simply type admin. Okay, now click on install WordPress. So it will take few minutes to install. Okay, finally WordPress is installed successfully. So let's log in. So my password is saved here. Now you will be redirected to WordPress dashboard. As you can see here, now you can play around with WordPress without installing it from cPanel. Every feature is available here. You can install a theme, you can install new plugins, you can create users, and you can do various things like use in live website. So let me show you here. Okay, there is no difference between the site installed from cPanel and installed in localhost. So here are some extra steps because of those plugins that I have downloaded in my site. So you can also download these plugins, play around, and once you are ready you can buy hosting and install WordPress from cPanel, or you can directly host that website that you will using in localhost. So let's give a look. You can type localhost/WordPress and your site will be live in this link. Okay, here is a demo site, and hello world here. So we have successfully installed WordPress on our localhost, and you can customize this site according to your need. In the coming videos we can see how we can install themes, customize it, and make a simple blog. So this was for today. So guys, how was this video? If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and if you have any problems while following the steps shown here, please don't hesitate to comment below. Thank you for watching.